In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize and lay out a table in Confluence. Let's start by opening the Confluence page that already contains the table you want to adjust. Make sure you're on the correct page where the table lives so you can see the current layout in context with the rest of the content. Next, enter Edit Mode. Click the Edit button at the top of the page, often shown as a pencil icon. This switches the page into the editor so you can work directly with the table. Click anywhere inside the table to activate the table controls. You'll notice the borders and handles become interactive. Move your cursor to the line between two columns until it changes to a resize handle. Click and drag that column border left or right to resize. Go slowly and watch how your text reflows as you drag. If you have a description column, give it a bit more room. If you have short numeric or date columns, those can usually be narrower. Aim for a balance so important text doesn't wrap awkwardly or get squeezed. If the page feels cramped and your table needs more breathing room, adjust the page layout to full width. In the editor toolbar, toggle the layout from fixed width to full width so the content can stretch across the available space. This is especially helpful for wider tables with several columns as it reduces excessive wrapping and makes headers easier to read. If your team prefers a consistent, centered reading experience, you can keep fixed width and instead refine the individual column sizes until everything fits neatly. As you fine-tune, check that text and columns fit properly. Skim the longest cells to ensure they remain readable and don't push important information below the fold. Confirm header cells are fully visible and not truncated. Scan a few rows from top to bottom to make sure no content is clipped and that spacing feels even across the table. Little adjustments like slightly widening a dense column or narrowing a column of short codes can make a big difference in clarity. When you're happy with the layout, publish the page. After publishing, review the table at full page width to see how it looks to readers. If anything feels too tight or too spread out, hop back into edit and make quick refinements. A couple of small tweaks are normal and can greatly improve readability. That's it. By opening the page, editing, resizing columns, adjusting the layout if needed, verifying fit, and then publishing, you'll have a clean, readable table that presents your data clearly.